Hi, Mark and Mandy. I'm here with Paul Lafrance from HGTV, and we're going to play a little game called Would You Rather? Now, I'm going to give you 2 examples, and you have to pick one of them, okay?
Okay.
All right, here we go. Would you rather be covered in all scales or in fur for the rest of your life?
Oh, you gotta go with fur.
Why?
Because it's manlier.
And I guess it would work in this weather.
Yeah. I mean, I wish I was covered in fur right now.
All right, there we go. Would you rather it rain all the time or snow all the time?
Snow.
How come?
Because you can work in snow, and snow does have a beautiful element to it. And even in the summertime, if it's raining, it's bad for your power tools and for your hair.
Fun fact. Would you rather be a bowling champion or a curling champion?
I have to go with bowling because I understand bowling, and there seems like just a lot of yelling and curling that I don't get.
And grunts.
And grunting, and a lot of sweeping. And I don't like sweeping.
No? Would you rather live in an RV or on a sailboat?
Sailboat, 100%.
I'm with
love
you.
the water.
Okay, would you rather have chapped lips forever or dandruff?
Dandruff. I hate chapped lips. Can't do chapped lips. No. I have moisturizer on me somewhere right now.
But you realize you can never get rid of the dandruff.
But you could hide the dandruff.
This is true. I like how we're working it out here in this way.
Everything flows together.
Okay, now would you rather be an artist and you're never able to see your artwork? Or would you rather be a musician and never be able to hear your music?
Ooh, artist, never able to see your artwork. Do you know if it's good or not? Can you hear other people's
It's all
opinions?
amazing. Your music's amazing or your art's amazing.
I'm gonna go with the music one, because that's, as a musician and an artist, the music is more vulnerable.
Understandable. Okay, I like it. Well, amazing. Thank you, Paul, and back to you, Mark and Mandy.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.